What's up, guys? This is Power 99 FM here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Bluetooth USB adapter. Now, this Bluetooth USB adapter is made by KINIVO. It's right there. That's who makes it. I don't know how to pronounce that, but this Bluetooth wireless adapter works with Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and Mac 10.3 or later. But I'm only going to use this for Mac. I'm not the user for Windows. Here are the requirements right here, so you guys can see it. You guys can see the requirements right there. Oh, I'm gonna be blocking something. There you go. You guys can see the requirements. That's it. Here's what the front cover looks like. Oh, right there. I know it's a tiny little Bluetooth. Here's the side. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. Here's the top. Okay, so this should work with my Power Mac G5. I hope it does, but it should work. And excuse this mess on my face because I'm gonna shave this shit off as soon as I can. I've just been so busy, I haven't had a chance to shave this shit off my face. But the shit will be gone as soon as the video is over. So let me just unbox this for you. Take the plastic off. Oh, here we go right here. Just flip this all up. Oh, I should have stayed. I know I'm using the key, I don't have a knife. I'm just so happy to have this going because I have that wireless keyboard from my Mac, and in order to use it, it needs Bluetooth. In order to use it in the Power Mac G5, did not come with Bluetooth installed on it because someone forgot to install it on it, so it didn't come with it. So that's why that's why I have that Bluetooth adapter. I could just buy a Bluetooth adapter on eBay and just stick in the Power Mac G5. They have it for like 18 bucks. I could get that, but that's from Hong Kong. So I'd rather just get this and see if that works. If not, I'll try the other one. It comes with an instruction manual, but I don't fucking need that. It comes with 2 CDs. I don't know why it comes with 2 CDs. Oh, an installation CD and another installation CD. This installation CD is for Windows, I think. That's what it says. And this installation CD is for Mac or Windows. It said Windows too. Yeah, it says Windows 7 and Windows Vista on that.
Alright.
Hey guys, here, this is the Bluetooth adapter. This is what it looks like. Just a little small adapter. Looks like that. And that's my Mac right there, and my wireless Mac keyboard right there. See that? The Mac. So, guys, thank you for watching. And whoever sent me this, you know your name. So, thank you very much for that. So, this is the Power 99 FM saying peace. And I will see you later. Bye, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment, and all that good stuff. Peace, guys.